Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Yesterday I was chatting to a Ukrainian friend of mine who lives in Odessa, and she told me that she'd been taking a bit of a break from following the news because it was affecting her mental health so badly. However, by choosing to do this, she'd ended up having a bit of an argument with her sister, because her sister had messaged her that morning saying, "Hey, you're not even going to ask if I'm still alive." Her sister's in a different city, and because my friend wasn't following the news, she hadn't seen that there'd been an attack on that city, so she hadn't checked in with her sister to make sure she was okay. As my friend said, the worst thing is my sister always checks with me every time there's any kind of attack on Odessa. So basically, I don't have a leg to stand on. If you say that you don't have a leg to stand on, it means you don't have any good arguments to support your position, or you're in a situation where you can't prove something. So maybe the police have constructed a very flimsy case against someone, and you're discussing it with a friend and you say, yeah, basically, look, the police don't have a leg to stand on. That case will never stand up in court. It'll be kicked out of court. Maybe if you think you've been the victim of a crime, but it's your word against the person who committed that crime, your lawyer or solicitor, or maybe even the police might tell you, listen, we hate to say this, but if you've got no witnesses, basically in court, you don't have a leg to stand on. You won't be able to prove your case. We also use it to talk about arguments in academia, for example. So maybe you write a dissertation for your master's degree, you're just getting ready to submit it 2 days before the deadline, when you find out that the entire theory that you based all of your research on has now been discredited, meaning your dissertation doesn't have a leg to stand on. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use not having a leg to stand on.